day, Mom and Sir. My name is Alice Jaime. I am from Gonzaga, Cagayan, Philippines. I am 31 years old, married, and I have no children. My husband is a farmer. My father is also a farmer, and my mother is a housewife. I have one brother, two sisters, and I am the third child in the family. I have a total of 9 years work experience. With my first employer, a Korean couple, I worked with them for 2 years and finished my contract. My duties were cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and taking care of pets. My second employer was a family of 5, including a 2-year-old girl. My duties were childcare for the 2-year-old girl, cooking, and cleaning. For my third job, I worked as an assistant cook for 4 years in one company. My duties were helping in cooking and maintaining cleanliness in the kitchen. For addition, I serve as a volunteer teacher in an elementary school. My duties were teaching and tutoring 8 to 9 years old students. I also teach them children's song, just like this one. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I know how to cook Filipino food and some Korean food, and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am hardworking, patient, honest, and willing to learn. I am seeking employment in Hong Kong to support my family and to secure our future. I am willing to stay long-term to my future employer. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I look forward to work with you soon. Have a nice day.